Welcome to the eye sculpting part, and I'm gonna try and sculpt that as simply as possible. First, I'm just gonna go into layout and add some spheres, go into edit mode, rotate them on x-axis 90 degrees, and just try to fit in the place where it belongs. Mirror modifier, where is it? Go back into object mode, select the head, and go back to sculpting. Okay, so first a small explanation. An explanation goes like this. Sorry again for horrible drawing skills. So the eye is like oval, and the top bone of the eye socket usually hides some of the eye. So usually the eye goes a bit more up than down. I will end up probably dragging a bit of the bone down on the eye. And the placing of the eye, you can change it, but don't change it too much. This is where the bone of the ends. I'm gonna have this flat here. The distance between the eyes and the nose should be quite same. That's where I try to put in my eyes. It can be different, but just try keeping on this rule. I'm gonna drag in the nose bridge a bit so we can see more of the eye. Okay, I go to the sculpt draw and draw the eye. It's gonna look very dumb at first, but don't worry about it, as I usually takes a lot of time to get them right. So usually your eyes probably looks like that all the time. I'm gonna try and show what kind of shapes I'm looking. I'm looking to draw the eyes. Usually the eyelid goes like this. I sculpt women most of the time, so I'm trying to have my eyelids look attractive. What you can see is that this corner is lower than right corner. They can be at the same height as well, but don't put this one lower than the left corner. Another thing is, on the Asian people eyelid, this, let me just add another color. This eyelid goes in and this one goes over. But on this side for everyone is the same. This one goes over the lower one. Let me just hide them. I'm gonna go to draw sharp. and draw, sharpen the side. What you shouldn't forget is, let me use a drawing again, from the eye. Okay, from the eye, the eyelid thickness, it's always the same. Same in here, same in here, same in here. Another thing, the thickness of the eyelid shouldn't be too small. I see so many people doing the mistake of making the eyelid thickness way too small. And nice having like this. It already looks weird, so I'm just gonna Control C. Okay, you have to have a thickness and it has to be visible. I'm gonna use the draw shaft to draw the lower one as well. Don't mind too much how you form your eyelids at the moment, because we have an amazing tool called Grab. I'm gonna separate the eyelids, use the crease brush, and I'm gonna crease every single part of the eyelid, sharp places to make it a bit better, smooth. Now I can shape a bit with the Grab tool. Make the corner, make the curvature. What is important in eyes is use masks. Masks are so essential to get those tight places look good. And we can just move. I'm gonna check the side. Another thing, the corner goes in. Don't leave it too flat to the face. I'm gonna use the draw sharp and just crease the sides. And draw the spherical shape around. This was a simple eyes. Next we're gonna go with the mouth. So see ya in the next episode.